November 18th, 2022, Fond du Lac deputies in Wisconsin try pulling over a driver for some traffic violations. At first, it looks like he's going to stop, but nope. The driver makes it very clear very fast that he's not done yet. What happens next? A wild, off-road chase in the dead of winter.
What are they going to do? 5-4, he's going to be taken off. Eastbound on F right now.
Eastbound on F. Copy.
5-4 on the brakes here. W794. 5-4, we're going through the field right now. W794.
Hold up, look at this. Forget the road. They've gone full Dukes of Hazzard mode. This chase just graduated from dangerous to downright reckless. Now picture this. You're sipping coffee at home, and suddenly this madness rips across your backyard. What's your move? Call 911 or whip out your phone for YouTube fame.
Why, dude?
There was a unit that just called. I did not copy.
Westbound on F.
Copy. Felony, Washington, Blue Patrol, moving.
5-4 is trying to pick it up. Okay, all around. Still not on dude. Roll over.
Before it drove into the field and is now westbound again on M as a train. Speeds are about 80 miles per hour.
Yeah, because I don't need it in the fucking windshield.
Station, I guess.
5-4, do we have anybody in front of us? No.
I was not able to copy.
5-4, do we have anyone in front of us? 5-4, eastbound airport, going through the field right here in the corner. From B. 5-4 going through the field, airport in F right now.
Copy, going through the field again.
You good? Yep, good.
37 dispatch, we're close by.
37.
Here's the city shooter there.
5-4 back out on F at the corner airport east. Headed west on F again.
156 units, picture approved if somebody can get on that.
Sheriff 156, do you want K9 for city?
Yeah.
If they've got one available, turn that down.
Passing Floral Park, still westbound.
Copy, what's going on?
Affirm on 6.
All units are going to be west on F right now. Coming up to you. 5-4, we're slowing down. We're going into a farm field here on the south end. I don't really want to go through that.
We need to go left before we arrive. He's wearing a black jeans and with no hat.
5-4 traveling through a cut cornfield on the south end of F.
Next area.
Getting locked down here. Looks like passengers got the door open. Get out of here. Tell me get
I'll
out.
take passenger if they bail.
Don't fucking move!
Get out. Get them. Get them in cuffs. Get them in
Get the
cuffs.
fucking ground! Don't fucking
5-4 vehicles continuing.
Don't fucking move! Stay on the fucking ground! Don't fucking move! Roll over on your stomach now! Do it right now! Arms out! Arms out like an...
Wait a second, did you catch that? Both the suspect and the police car just unloaded passengers mid-pursuit. That is next-level chaos. For officers, it's tactical, secure the scene, minimize risk. But for the suspect, that's pure desperation on display. The stakes here just skyrocketed.
Airplane! Palms up! Stay on the ground, do not move. What are you guys doing? Put your arms back out! Stop moving!
He was getting his mail.
Getting his mail. Why is he running? Okay,
I was trying to get out of the car, man.
okay. That's fine, I understand. Stay right there, do not move. 91 subject just informed me he does have a firearm in that vehicle. All right, I'm gonna cuff you. Stay right there, do not move, okay? All right.
I don't have anything to do with this, man.
All right, I believe it.
I didn't.
Do me a favor, just don't move. Thank you for getting out and being cooperative.
I told him, I said, let me out. No, I can't.
Here, let me lift his hand. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Ah.
All right, Ben, did you search him yet or frisk him? All right. All right, bud. We're going to search you, okay?
Yeah.
What's in your wallet?
Nothing.
I see the syringes right there. What is
Yeah,
that?
that's it. I have.
Stand you up. 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Just search the back, small of the back.
That's it. All I have is.
Hey,
that.
buddy, you got any weapons on you at all?
No,
Okay.
man. I was trying to get out. That's probably his.
Yeah.
I was trying to get out of the car, man.
Do you need medical attention?
I'm fine. I just want to cut that. What was I supposed to do?
All right, I'm not questioning, all right?
Oh, fuck, man. What was I supposed to do there? Okay, just let me step up. Okay. Fuck. It hurt getting out of that car because he wasn't trying to stop. I told him, you gotta, dude, I'm getting out of this car. That's why he slowed down. But
while deputies dealt with the passenger, the chase continued. The passenger was temporarily detained, secured, and ultimately released. He is not suspected of wrongdoing.
5-4, we're continuing through the farm here.
Deputy, you go with 9-1 and I'll catch up with 5-4.
5-4, we're going back out onto F. We're going through the farm right now. 5-4-1, I said 156. We good on a pit or no?
Hold up. Affirm.
10-4.
That's not completely. Six waiting on a tow now, but I can put him when he clears. On another 46 waiting on a tow now, but I can put him when he clears. Do you have a description?
Great, so I gotta go with 91.
Go with him. He's by himself.
Freeze, I'm at F and B. Should be anywhere else.
Can you check the area?
91 subject just informed me he does have a firearm in that vehicle. Nope.
vehicle and the driver of the vehicle is possibly wanted.
120 on W, 549178. Do we know who's driving?
Affirmative, the passenger is ditched.
91, subject is informing Steven Nam is the driver.
That while I was slowing down here, going past the 100 miles an hour. Sport have anybody on?
Southbound on W from F right now.
That's where we're trying to get up here.
Sheriff 54 negative on campus 4 unit.
That's where I got a plow truck in front of me right now.
I'm just confirming that I am with 91 and we have 195.
Copy 78.
54, we're turning on Nickel Drive right now at the elementary school.
He's tearing through an elementary school zone. This is no longer just fleeing. It's first-degree reckless endangerment. We're talking about children's lives at risk. At this point, you're not just watching a chase. You're seeing the true character of the driver unravel in real time.
School. Looks like we're headed back onto W, potentially. Nope, we're headed back south on W.
Copy.
Going up to the stop sign right now. Going up to the intersection right now, 67 and B. Northbound on B, northbound on B.
92 to 54, I'm going to try and set up spikes on B north of UMC.
We're going through the high school parking lot right now. We're down on the backside of the school. We are by the walking track right now. We're going through the field by the baseball diamonds.
Convoy to Washington. Convoy to Washington.
Sure, 156 and road down there.
5-4, we're through the parking lot of the high school right now. I'm trying to slow her down to get him to slow down.
Copy. 156, I copy.
5-4, he is going through. Looks like he went southbound.